best method of prospecting is going to be to actually call people. I know that doesn't fit with the laziest method of prospecting, which is to spam the hell out of them on email. However, the reason why that's your best method of prospecting is because nobody's calling anybody anymore. My calls to me personally have dropped off by 75% in the last 3 years. You would think, with all the technology out there, by the way, there's 4 times more companies that will give you access to my mobile phone number, by the way, if you want it, 720-660-3202. I can't believe he gives out his mobile. Because there's a million things you can buy where you can get it, right? There's 4 times as many companies. I'm not gonna name that, Zoom Info, Lucia. There's a million ways you can get somebody's mobile, yet nobody calls anybody anymore. They send out these emails. I got an email yesterday from the CEO of an artificial intelligence company that was a page and a half long. Her name was Meg. Hi, Meg, wherever you are, right? And she's like, oh my God, we love your sales process. It would fit perfectly with our AI. We would like for you to consult us and we'll give you an ownership stake in the company. Do you think I call Meg back? Absolutely freaking not. Because if Meg doesn't have the wherewithal to pick up the phone and call either me personally on my mobile, which I give out publicly, or my company, 800-628-1456, I don't want to do business with that person. And I don't think I'm the only one that feels like that. So many of us are like, I don't know why sales is so hard. But you go, I remember 400 years ago when I was single, if we had email then, do you think I'd be able to get a date with somebody by sending out 450 people an email saying, I'm single and I like to mingle and I'm available Friday, right? How is it that we can't figure that out? Call the damn people, right? Hey, I've got an idea I wanted to get your opinion on. You and I are connected, blank, through LinkedIn. You and I are connected because I manage all of the medical practices. You and I are connected because I work with CMOs. Whatever it is, find a connection. I wanted to reach out to you personally because I have an idea I wanted to get your opinion on. They'll call you back. That's the best method of prospecting. If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you can look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're gonna catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're going to see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.